welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is e-flight review. Today I was flying on board American Airlines' premium economy product from Sydney to Los Angeles on board AA72. I just have to tell you two things about this video. One, I was recording on an iPad, so I wasn't allowed to take any footage of takeoff or landing. Sorry everyone. And two, I was recording my voice after actually making the footage, so some things may sound out of sync. My journey started early in the morning at Sydney. I went to the airport, and it was actually quite a normal check-in and a normal security. I soon made my way over to the lounge of American Express Lounge over at Sydney International, and I was greeted with the lovely sight of a Thai Airways 777 300-yard bound for Bangkok, Thailand. The lounge was quite good with soft leather seats, and the food was absolutely lovely. But I always spent about an hour at the lounge, so quite soon I started boarding. Today I was flying on the 787 registered as November 835 Alpha November, or NA35AN. 787 was brand new, only 4 years old. Actually, now I think about it, that's not that bad. There was great footage of the wing and the engine, and also the gate was positioned so you could literally see all the planes coming in onto two runways, as demonstrated with the American Air 787-9 previously seen. The seat came with a giant screen and, of course, the famous dimmable windows from the 787. The screen was operated by a remote control, or you could just touch it, or you could just tap and swipe. The seat was made out of premium leather, quite soft. There's an amenity kit. There's no amenity kit. However, there was a pillow, blanket, and slipper top. About an hour and a half after takeoff, meal services. I ordered a gnocchi, and it came along with a salad, a cheesecake, some bread, some salad dressing, and also some crackers and cheese. It was quite a good meal. However, the gnocchi had a weird texture to it, but the mushroom sauce was quite good. The bread was hard and dry. I did try the crackers and the salad. However, the cheesecake was absolutely delicious. It was quite sweet and had a nice texture to it. For the next 6 hours, there really wasn't that much to do. At around midnight, I guess, there was 2 beef pies served along with some ice cream. They were both absolutely delicious. So yeah, I ate them quite quickly, and about 4 hours after that, breakfast was served. Breakfast was fresh fruits, accompanied by plain yogurt, shown here, some oats, and some muffins. There was again real cutlery and a real cloth napkin, which was actually quite surprising. Again, economy. All the food was delicious. However, I did find the yogurt way too sour. About an hour and a half after that, we started on the 7th to Los Angeles, around 35 minutes before landing. American Airlines actually has a great feature for the seat back screens, but so you can see with the buttons. So quite soon after that, we landed and we taxied to Tom Bradley International, the Tom Bradley International Terminal. There is a long amount of taxiing footage, so I'll just let you watch that. but for you, so 1 minute was the power of editing. So yeah, we passed the gate, and it was very short time after we got out of the airplane. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching this video today. I hope that you have a nice day today, or a nice night wherever you are. Please like and subscribe down below, and click the notifications bell to see whenever we release a video. Thank you for watching again my YouTube video, and have a nice day or a nice night.